leave a comment telling them Marty's car is slow as shit now. So yeah, peace. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at OSTAR, and we're gonna get Rob's RS3 on Dyno. We're gonna do 499 horsepower.
Yeah, 499.5. It's gonna do 499.5.
499 horsepower.
We'll do 530.
500. Anything over 500 is the goal.
It'll definitely make 500, right?
The Mustang Dyno?
Yeah. It'll definitely make over 500.
521 and 512. Good? Good. My car makes 540.
There you go. Stage 2 RS3 E85 pump. 521, 512. RPM and all that, I don't know, we'll check. Once we get it through, the screen is all the way over there. And it's not like we can get to the digital dyno like we do, but there you got it. Now we're gonna get the car off and we're gonna find a spot where I can go and drive the car, maybe do a launch and test it out since I haven't driven it. He's gonna let me drive it and check it out since I'm car shopping, see if I like it. I mean, what's not to like? It looks awesome. All right, so we're on the RS3. Just got out of the dyno. Did 521 horsepower, 512 torque, right?
Yeah.
That's stage 2 E85.
But you see how laggy it is right there.
So yeah, I'm just gonna have a little gas. I'm gonna feel for it.
Yeah, but it's laggy because you just don't regularly drive. But you see, it's really laggy there. So.
Car went fast. It feels stock-like, but when I look,
Yeah.
I look at the speed. I was like, oh shit! like you wouldn't tell.
Yeah,
like, you're just
yeah.
like, okay, the car's moving, but when you look down, you're like, oh shit, we are moving.
Yeah, it's sneaky, so it'll get you in trouble if you're not paying attention.
Damn. All right, so down. So now it's supposed to get like. Just a little feel. Nice. Brake action.
It's gonna be the oh shit, I'm going fast.
Yeah, let's test this too. easing into it.
Too easy.
It hesitated.
Yeah, the trans was like, oh, this is not normal. There you go. Now I want it
transmission is too nice. Feels like butter. You have all these mounts, but you really can't. Like, I mean, I'm not shifting. I'm not going fast or like full throttle and anything else. Short shifting everything, but it's like.
Now you feel it push you in the seat.
Yeah. That's awesome. Like on the gradually pulls, you don't feel anything. There you feel, like even driving, it's like
you get the feeling in your chest.
There's no spin, so it's like that's awesome. Fuck. I shouldn't have done this. Artie, we get another RS3. How does it feel there? Have you ever, like, other than Marty driving it, have you ever been there?
I haven't been on this side stage 2, but I felt when you put it, I was like,
yeah.
Oh yeah, I felt that one.
Yeah, it felt good. Like,
it felt good. It was like, oh wait, we're moving now.
Like it for a second, you know, until like the turbo lag, I guess. But once it went up, it's like, ooh, shit. Oh yeah.
There's only one thing.
No wonder people. What is it?
It's the wastegate rider. That's it.
The wastegate rider. Yeah, the thing we got.
You gotta hit this here.
What is that? Traction control off?
Yeah.
Just once?
No, you hold it, and then it will tell you both things turned off. And then you gotta put your left foot on the brake.
So my prosthetic goes on the brake.
On the brake, yeah.
Oh shit! And I gotta push all the way down, right?
Yeah. And you gotta push it down, and then hit the gas once to see if it burbles. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's go.
So it's engaged?
It's completely engaged. All right, so your foot is not all the way down on the brake.
That's what happens when you got fake legs.
Well, it happens to me, and I got real legs, so.
Alright, so.
Now you have it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So just go and let go?
Hit the gas all the way down. Now let go.
It's like a little kid's face, probably. Ooh, that was badass. That was badass. That's pretty badass, man. Feels good.
Watch the
Yeah. This car is awesome. Like, I see how you had to, at the track, how you need to time it with the lights. Because I let go, and then it didn't go right away. Like, you know, it has that little, and then it kind of like reps and goes. So
that's why, like, sometimes it'd be like, oh.
You definitely have to. There, you got it. The car, it's fun. It's pretty badass. I don't know, Marty, you drove it on stage 1, 93, stage 2, 85. Different, completely different. It was pretty badass. But look, we got both cars. So yeah, that's it for today. We did Dyno, 521 horsepower, 512 torque. Rob's happy.
I'm happy.
We're not gonna sell it. He said 519 and he would sell it. So 521, it's a good number, magic number. So yeah, man, I had a blast. Like, I mean, check it out. Stage 2, E85, RS3. It's a little family car, like he calls it. Thanks for letting me drive it. And soon here, when it gets a little better outside on the weather, go to the track, take everything out, go for like the best pass ever, which is what you're looking for there. With no seats.
10.5.
10.5. Same wheels, different wheels.
Same wheels. Probably less PSI. The last time I ran was 28. I probably do 25 all the way around. And then no front seat, no back seats. Because when I ran the 10.9, I even had the jack in there, like the pressure for the tires to fill my tires up, like everything. Just
Family car with everything in it. 10.9. So yeah. Do some weight reduction. You'll have the intake by then.
I'll have the intake by then.
A couple horsepower there, and hopefully a better weather, and let's see how fast it goes.
Last time my AITs were like 167.
It was hot. That day was hot. It was hot. So yeah. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment telling that Marty's car is slow as shit now. So yeah, peace.
Now let go.
It's like a little kid's face probably. Ooh, that was badass.